Alrighty guys, we're here at Menards, here in, what city? What?
Mitchell.
Mitchell, South Dakota. We have another Schumacher here.
No signs in there either.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird. No sign over the door, no signs in the cab.
Yep. Let's go to 2. Oh gosh. Oh boy. Nice. I swear, every Schumacher I've been into in the state of South Dakota, it's like, oh gosh, this one. It seems like every Schumacher I've been on in this state, it runs like crap. But it holds up pretty well. Oh gosh, that feels weird. But this is a pretty nice cap. Oh god, I hate how it runs. Good, this does not have this panel. I just heard the jingle, so I have to hold the door. Yes. Anyway, there's the indicator. 4,500 pounds. Schumacher. Literally, this is like the 3rd one I found in the Menards. It's so weird. But I'm starting to wonder if most of these stores are older and then they decide to add elevators into their stores a little bit later. And there goes the elevator with no elevator sign, low. And I guess that is going to be it for me.